Hey, welcome to the channel. If you've ever thought about turning your ideas into a real, profitable online business, then you've come to the right place. This channel is your ultimate guide to building, growing, and monetizing your presence online, completely from scratch. We're here for all the creators, the entrepreneurs, and especially the beginners who are ready to make a change and start earning an income using smart, proven digital strategies. Are you curious about YouTube automation? Maybe you want to dive into affiliate marketing, or perhaps you've considered selling your own digital products like PDFs, guides, or templates. Or maybe you're rethinking about freelancing or building passive income streams that work for you while you sleep. Whatever your goal is, we've got you covered with practical, step-by-step guidance that actually works. We take all those complex online business concepts and break them down into simple, easy-to-follow lessons. The best part, you don't need a bunch of expensive tools or any prior experience. We're all about real methods that are built for long-term success, focusing on consistency and smart systems. No hype, no unrealistic promises, just real results. So, what can you expect to find here? Well, we'll show you exactly how to start and grow a YouTube channel from 0 subscribers. We brainstorm content ideas that not only get views, but also attract a loyal community of subscribers. And we'll go way beyond just AdSense revenue. We'll explore powerful monetization strategies like creating and selling your own digital products. We'll build sales funnels that convert visitors into customers. And we'll dive deep into affiliate marketing, covering both free and paid programs to maximize your earnings. But it doesn't stop there. A successful online business needs a strong brand. We'll teach you the art of branding, how to design eye-catching thumbnails, write compelling titles that people can't resist, clicking, and master SEO to get your content discovered. We'll even cover the mindset and discipline needed to stay focused and achieve real, lasting online success. If you're tired of all the misinformation out there, the get-rich-quick schemes, and the so-called gurus who promise the world but deliver nothing, then this channel is for you. Every single video we create is packed with value, clarity, and the motivation you need to take real, meaningful action toward your financial independence. This isn't just another channel, it's a community. It's a place for creators who are serious about building something that matters. So, if you're ready to start your journey, hit that subscribe button and join us. Your future starts right here, right now. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.